You're about to hear a letter of recommendation that was written about you when you applied to adopt.
Me and my sister Jenna have always been so close. Even when we were younger, she had the mother's instinct. Protective, kind, caring, loving.
I suppose my expectation growing up was that I'd always meet a partner, but that didn't quite happen for me. So once I had my career and my house and I was settled, why not go down the route of becoming a mother on my own? I've had cancer twice, so now's the time to look at what I really want in life. And the one thing that never changed for me was to become a mum.
Jenna is also a problem solver. Whatever challenge she faces, she always finds a way through. She's made so many changes in her life to create the right environment to be a mum.
When I read the letters of recommendation and listening to my sister there, you need to hear that. We can just be so critical of ourselves. So it is lovely to hear those comments. And it's like, yeah, I can be a mum. I've got those qualities. If you know someone who is, they really want to become a parent, tell them how blinking good they will be at it. For anyone who's thinking of adopting, pick up the phone, speak to adoption agencies or your local authority, speak to people who have adopted. It's important to do your research. Child needs love, they need to be cared for, offer that consistency. Can you offer them these experiences in life? For anyone who's thinking of adopting, is having that confidence in yourself.
We support Jenna in her decision to adopt because we know how ready she is to offer a child love and the chance to thrive.
That's really lush. My life has changed drastically. It's very busy now. I thought I was busy before. I wasn't busy at all. My life revolves now around my child, which is exactly how it should be. I feel like she's brought me back to life.